Hello, gardeners. This is Brandy, the Suburban Gardenista, and I have your very first trivia for you for 2026. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday and spent lots of time with family and friends. And on that note, my first question of the year is, what is a host plant? And here are your options. A plant that prevents pests from eating the veggies in your garden. B, a plant that hosts the best garden parties. C, a plant that is necessary for the survival of a particular insect species. Or D, a plant that produces pollen for pollinators. Do you know what a host plant is? The correct answer is C. Host plants are necessary for the survival of a particular insect species. A really good example of this is milkweed for the monarch butterfly. Without milkweed, we won't have the monarch butterfly. The monarch needs that plant to host its young. It will only lay eggs on milkweed plants, and those little caterpillars will only eat the milkweed. So that plant is particularly essential to the survival of that species. And there's lots of examples like this. For example, spice bush for the spice bush swallowtail, and the carrot family like golden alexanders for the black swallowtail. If you want to help support pollinators in your area, consider planting host plants for the native pollinators that visit your garden. Did you like that little bit of garden trivia? If you did, make sure you follow along and hit that notification bell to get the next little bit of garden trivia on deck. Thanks so much for watching and happy gardening!